Ash Wellness Ayurvedic Hormone Balance Review. Does it promote women's health? So what it claims is it is designed to support the hormone and the mood balance, especially for women over 35 or going through menopause. It is containing adaptogen herbs like ayashwanda, rhodiola, and shatavari, known in the herbal tradition to help manage stress and support balance on your estrogen. It's also made in the USA, which is non-GMO and GMP certified and even lab tested. They offer a lot of user support improvements in mood, energy, and reduced mood swings, better sleep, reduced bloating, and sometimes clearer skin. It also comes with a capsule form, which is around 60 capsules, which is a 1 month supply and easy to take. So there are some cons as well. The effects take time, and some users notice changes after a few weeks only, and the results are may vary and depends on your consistency. So if you want to take it with consistency. So take it every day to see some results. And it's not intended for all hormone issues as well, like fecals or other thyroid issues. And the cost may be more expensive compared to other supplements. So take note of that. But is it worth it for women's health? Well, it balances the looks like a reasonably well formulated supplement for women seeking mild to moderate support for hormone related symptoms like your mood swings, stress, energy dips, and sleep disruption for signs. But if I were you, I'd consider worth trying it if you have a mild to moderate hormone fluctuation, and if you are okay with waiting a few weeks or more to see whether it works for you.